If you just bought a BYD Atto 3, you might be asking one question. Should I install a 7 kilowatt home charger, or spend more on a 22 kilowatt charger? Before you decide, check the car's OBC first.
Look at this setup. On the left, this is the wall charger. It supplies power to the car. But the final AC charging speed is not decided by the wall charger alone. Inside the car, there is an OBC, or onboard charger. This controls how much AC power the car can actually accept. For a BYD Atto 3, the OBC is around 7 kilowatts. So even if you install a 22 kilowatt wall charger, the car will still charge at around 7 kilowatts. That means a 22 kilowatt charger will not make your Atto 3 charge 3 times faster. A 22 kilowatt charger only makes sense if your home has 3-phase power, and your current or future EV supports higher AC charging. For most BYD Atto 3 owners, a 7 kilowatt home charger is the practical choice. T-Power helps Australian EV owners choose the right charger, not just the biggest one.